All right, we're gonna figure this out. Baba Dani and Dad in the house here. We're gonna make a 100-year-old recipe. От кой е този рецепта?
От моята баба. Майката на моята майка.
Wow, so your great grandma и от колко години е този рецепта?
Най-малко от 100 години.
100-year-old soup recipe. And then she does a Bulgarian trick, се казва застройка, да?
Застройка.
Застройka is a lemon drop style that transforms it kind of like a Mediterranean soup. It's perfect for fall and cold and flu season, and if you're feeling like under the weather, this is chicken soup for the soul. So, okay, Baba.
Пилето го слагаме да се вари в една голяма тенжера.
Okay, so we need a big pot here. We're gonna put the whole chicken here.
И слагаме водичка да го покрие 2/3 от
Okay.
тенжерата.
So we'll put water about 3/4 of the way up.
И тази супа може да се приготви не само с пиле, а и с агнешко месо.
Oh, you can make it with lamb, agne.
Агне.
И много вкусно, да?
Пак също е много вкусно.
Okay, you can make it with lamb. Lamb stew meat would be nice. We'll fire up the heat and bring this to a simmer, the entire parsley. Don't just use the top
Това
parts.
слагам така една китка магданоз.
Okay.
Това трябва да я измия сега.
Okay, Baba's gonna rinse the parsley.
Сега слагам и масълце.
Okay, some butter. Maslow?
Да.
No, let's get some butter. Come, Rosie. Baba needs some butter. Oh, we'll just use this butter here. Here we go. A little bit of butter goes in. Baba just added some salt and now full Parrish, Dani.
Отпахвам пяната. Ето тази пяна.
Okay, that's called piana. We want to skim the scum off the top. And I just set the timer for 1 hour. All right, it's been 1 hour. Come on over here. Baba Dani's checking the tenderness of the chicken.
Готово е.
That's good, right? So the meat's kind of falling off. Done. We're gonna tag team the chicken here and get it out of the liquid. Get the liquid there. You should see the color of the soup. It looks really beautiful already. We're using, by the way, a pasture-raised heritage breed chicken. The same kind she would use back home in Bulgaria. The bird's getting a butter basting by Dani here. Cherven pepper is red paprika. I don't think she knows it, but she got the smoked paprika, which is fine with me because I love it. I got some jasmine rice here. I was gonna try to make it with brown rice, but Baba Dani put the kibosh on that pretty quickly. We're just adding a little bit of liquid back to the pot. We're gonna wash the rice. Come on over here. We'll call that 1.5 cups of rice. It's a pro move here to wash the rice. You made a gift for me? Oh, exciting. Oh, you know, Daddy loves princess games. Guess who princesses? Thank you, Rose. That's so sweet of you. A check for seasoning here, it looks like. I'm guessing more.
Безсолно. Трябва още сълпица.
More. There you go. A little Celtic sea salt goes in the pot. And we gotta wait for that to boil. That rice goes into the boiling stock. 18 minutes goes on the clock. Now it's time for the zastroika, or the avgo lemono sauce part here. So we're gonna get a lemon. It's a very Baba-esque way of squeezing the lemons into the bowl. Last night, Baba made some Bulgarian beef kefta. Delicious. Keftanse. I love the way that Baba cracks the eggs there. It's classic. 2 eggs go in for the lemon sauce. We bought this yogurt specifically for Baba. This is Bulgarian style yogurt. Well, it's made in Texas, but if you notice, this is what Bulgaria is famous for. It's the bacteria. It's called Lactobacillus bulgaricus. It's the bacteria strain that's used in all of the good yogurts all over the entire world. 3 tablespoons to start. And later on, she's gonna temper the soup in that. Gonna put the oven on broil and take that chicken that has the butter and the paprika and just put it under here until it gets nice and golden and crispy. The rice is done. We're straining it directly into the butter with the parsley. More flavor. Rice will go back into the pot after the liquid love is gone. A little bit of butter goes in. We'll stir around that butter. Now this is the crucial part, the tempering of the avgo lemono sauce here.
Супичката трябва да бъде на студено.
Okay.
Да не е на топлия котлон.
So you don't want to do this on the stove where there's a lot of excess heat. It's better to do it on the wooden cutting board. So we'll take a little bit and then she'll whisk immediately.
Можеш си да сипваш.
Okay. If you do this too fast, it'll scramble the eggs and then you just ruined Baba's 100-year-old recipe. Check out the texture, it's slowly thickening. Back in the pot it goes. Beautiful broth. You gotta check that. Look at that gorgeous color. Let's check the pile. Come back here. Put on our oven gloves. Ošte malo. Right? Okay, a little more. Okay, I gotta try that for seasoning. That looks righteous. Probaj. Vkusno. Može bi ošte salt ili... Da? A little bit of salt. She agrees. Okay. Baba Dani, gotov?
Готов.
Okay.
Да.
Chicken's done. Looks beautiful. Okay.
Perfection. Perfection.
Nice.
Wow, guys, this is from my childhood, comfort food. Literally, in my family, we call it our favorite soup. That's how we refer to it. And it's still a favorite.
It's 100 years old.
Yeah.
You know it's going to be a winner. Time to eat. We'll put some soup into the bowl. A little bit of rice. You serve it on the table like this, and then watch the way the meat just pulls away here.
И отпилим като си.
Покажи ми.
Много хубаво.
Bulgarian chicken soup for the soul. From her great grandmother to your kitchen. Recipes down below. Make it, ciao.